Oh, hi there. Just practicing some bicep curls with my 2-pound weights. I know, 2 pound doesn't seem like much, but when you're carrying a detector all day, it can make all the difference in the world. Let me introduce you to the newest edition of our detector family, the Lux 35 detector. This is our first glass-free detector for the medical space. It weighs almost 2 pounds less than our DRX Plus detector. It is ideal for mobile imaging. Now that 2-pound weight reduction can help alleviate stress and strain on radiographers who carry the detector during mobile rounds. Also, the Lux detector has been completely redesigned with new ergonomic features. The beveled edges and rounded corners make the detector much easier to position, especially with bedridden patients. The integrated finger grips also help with positioning and can prevent accidental slips and drops. There is a display GUI on the back. It provides important detector status and updates. The detector is 139 micron pixel size and features an IP57 rating for better protection against dust and fluid ingress. I think you can see that there's a lot to love about the new Lux 35 detector. Radiographers will enjoy its lightweight and ergonomic features, which mean less strain and stress on the job. Radiology administrators will like the glass-free feature to minimize bumps and drops and less downtime. And patients will appreciate the beveled edges and rounded corners. It'll give them a much more comfortable exam.